The regular 6 is this, 7, 3, and then 6, right? But when I get to the 6, I do this. Can you hear that? And let me just show you exactly how to build that one. This is 1, 7, 3, 6. But when I'm in here, I think I'm going slow enough. I will do this. This is a B flat major 7. You're gonna add this to it. Before I go to 2. Let me do it again. This is a passing chord. See? You can apply it here. Just what I did. Let me do it again. Then before I go to the 2, 5, 1 of F, I do this. So when you get to 6, you can do that. And even if you're on 2, what it is E flat major 7, you just flatten the 5. See, that's gospel sound. So use this. When you get to the 6, do this. You get this nice gospel sound. See, every time I'm going to 6, I come from 3. Do it again. Same way if you're in the key of D flat or C sharp. So you gotta do this. See, this is B major 7, flatten the 5, the 5th of this. a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of doing this, I do this to go to 2. So you use that. It's a move from 6 to 2 where you actually use this chord. That's a 11 flat 9. So this is a movement, a gospel movement. You're on a 6, and then you're gonna use this movement to go to 2. So you were here and do. See, it's 2, 6, 2, 5, 1. See, you can even do this to 2 and then do. All right. So add this 6-2 movement to your gospel playing, and this is going to elevate your playing. If you found value in this lesson, please subscribe and stay tuned for more gospel movements that will elevate your playing. See you in the next lesson.